Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Hazul Hatimah and I am a second semester student of English Literature at the University of North Sumatra. Today, I will tell you about branches and nature of linguistics. So let's begin. 1. The branches of linguistics. The first is psycholinguistics, studies of thought and concept formation in language, which reveal a great deal about the structures of human psychology. It also studies the influence of psychological factors. In example, indicates errors made by a speaker can influence by a psychological factors such as nervous. Like here I'm nervous. Second, sociolinguistics, relation between language and society. Sociolinguistics is the study language variation, how the varieties in language are formed when the speakers belong to a geographical region, social class, social situation, and occupation, etc. Like in example, martabak in Indonesia, martabak is called some people calling it martabak manis, some people kue Bandung, some people terang bulan. That is because region, because of society. Third is anthropological linguistics, aspect of language and culture, the way we think and see the world. Each culture organizes its world in its own way. Language is invented to communicate and express the culture. Fourth, literary stylistics, the way of variation in language and the use of language in communication. Like the writers have their own style in writing, right? The nature of linguistics. The nature of linguistics are to emphasize of speech, connecting between sentences, etc. Here some important nature of linguistics. Actually, there is more than this. In language learning, speech is the fundamental thing. Reading and writing are the secondary. Language is not an inherent biological function of man. It is acquired through learning. What does that mean? It means that we learn language. We learn sense. We listen our parents talk, and then we learn how to speak, and then we learn how to read, then we learn how to writing. That is a step by step of learning language. So language is not logical, it's through learning. Oh, it's done, it's finished. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'm doing a great job to tell you guys about this. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.